Sleep is not just rest. It's a biological process where the brain and body repair, regulate hormones, consolidates memory, and reset the nervous system. During sleep, your body balances blood sugar, controls appetite hormones, strengthens immunity, and clears waste products from the brain. Without quality sleep, nearly all the system in the body suffers, even if you don't notice it immediately. Sleep isn't regulated by hours alone. It's regulated by circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. Your circadian rhythm determines when you feel alert, when you feel sleepy, and when key hormones are released. It's guided by light exposure, consistency, and timing. When you sleep late consistently, even if you get enough hours of sleep, this rhythm becomes misaligned. Late nights delay the release of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep and recovery. At the same time, they keep cortisol, the stress hormone, elevated at night when it should be low. This sends mixed signals to the brain and body. Over time, this misalignment affects hormone balance, blood sugar regulation, insulin sensitivity, appetite control, weight management, mood, focus, and mental clarity. This is why people who sleep late often crave sugar, feel tired during the day, struggle with concentration, and rely on caffeine or stimulants. Even when they technically sleep enough hours, sleeping late can feel good in the short term because nighttime is often when stress drops and distractions fade. The brain finally feels calm. But biologically, the body still expects rest early. When that expectation is repeatedly ignored, the system becomes confused and is placed in a semi-alert state when it should be recovering. The problem isn't how long you sleep, it's timing and how consistently you sleep. Sleep quality improves when your rhythm is respected. Consistency restores alignment. Start with a consistent wake-up time, daily morning light exposure, reduced late-night stimulation, and gradual bedtime adjustments instead of sudden changes. When your internal clock is aligned, energy improves, cravings reduce, mood stabilizes, and mental clarity returns. Your body doesn't just need sleep, it needs the right rhythm. Want to understand your mind and body better? Subscribe to Neurokind and turn on notifications so you never miss insights that help you think better, feel better, and live healthier.